Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a midweek market update for Thursday, June 10, 2021. So the market is still continue to go to the upside. As you can see that today at the consumer price index and the job report is good. So the market is continue to go up. As long as the trend is still up, we will stick to the upside. So I'm going to do a market update and then I'm going to show you one of the strong sector they try to turn around today, and we'll pick up some stock there and let's see how they lay out. So first of all, we look at the SP 500. It's still very bullish. They try to pump up, make it all-time high today, and then they pull back down a little bit. So the market is still very low volume, choppy sideways. It's not really strong momentum, but overall trend is still bullish. As long as it's still in the uptrend, we will stick with the uptrend. So, and if you look at the Nasdaq, it also try to get back to the sell zone here. So if they can clear this sell zone, the technology stock will continue to put it up to the upside. But the other hand, at the Russell 2000, they had to have trouble hit to the sell zone, so they pull back here. Let's say in the next couple of days they'll be able to hold up and turn around. And also the Dow do the same thing. They fail to break through the all-time high here, so they pull back. So probably they try to build some momentum, and then they will join the ES and the NQ, try to put it up to the upside. The crude oil is still very bullish. As you can see, that the oil has got the gas price at the gas station is getting more expensive because the crude oil is getting strong on the upside here. And gold is also try to a couple days pull back. Now they try to break through the resistance and get back to the upside. If they can clear the sales on here, they can even go stronger into the future there. And the Bitcoin is still sideways choppy. They have not break in the uptrend yet. They are still in the downtrend and sideways, so not hurry to jump in yet. The Ethereum is same thing. They break out, still continue to the downside. So it will take a while for them to stabilize, and then before they can turn around. So not hurry to jump in yet. Okay, you need to be patient and wait for the price to come to you. Okay, so a couple sector still do, gold is still doing very well. So you can see it, the couple stock is still doing well there. You know, like GDX after they pull back, a strong move back to the upside. GLD, or let's say AEM. Let me see here which one it. Okay, so this is a GLD. Okay, it's also very strong to the upside there. But the financial sector is in the correction right now, so you have to be careful. A lot of bank stock, they are losing momentum there, so they need to pull back down in the correction. Okay, you see a couple of stocks in this sector, like Goldman Sachs, right? So JP Morgan, let me see here, JBM, okay, so they all go south now, so you have to be careful on that sector. The energy sector is still doing strong, okay. They are still strong on the upside, but some stock is getting weaker, but some stock is pretty strong, like MRO, okay, it's still strong. CVX, Chevron, still strong, or ExxonMobil, okay, they are still pretty strong. The XLRE with the real estate sector is still very strong. Okay, and a couple of stocks in this sector, like BXP, is still very strong. We cut the moves in the bottom here now. It's still very strong there. SLG, that's another one that's very strong too. But the builder again trouble right now. It looks like because the material too high, or okay, and then it's tougher for them to make money. And the Toll Brother, like KB Home, they're all heading south right now. So the builder sector is in the correction right now, so you have to be careful. And the cybersecurity is still doing well. So a couple of stocks in the cybersecurity, like let me see, PANW, Palo Alto Network is pretty strong, right? And SACK is still very strong there, or BUG. So those stocks that I highlight for you for a while, they are still very strong, okay? And the semiconductor is also doing strong. They try to clear up the upper resistance here. Okay, they have been ran by this one here. If they can clear that area here, that will be more bullish for the semiconductor sector in the future. So a couple stocks in this sector like AMD is still doing well. Okay, TSM semiconductor still doing well. TXN, okay, try to clear up the resistance there. Okay, and if you look at one of the strong sector that they again some momentum today, that's the XLV, which is the healthcare and biotech. They are very strong. Okay, after they pull back to the support, and today they have a strong volume, try to punch to the all-time high here. So a couple of stocks that in this sector that we should looking at right now. Let me pick up some of them so that you can see here. So that's the AMGN. Okay, Amgen. After they pull back down the power support, now they try to get up to the upside. Okay, the next one is the GS. It also found the bottom and try to get up also. And let me see here. Let me give you one more. That's the CDNA. CDNA. Okay, that's the CDNA. Alright, so this stock is CareDex. They failed to break through the sell zone. Now they try to build some momentum and punch to the level there. Okay, so that's the three stocks in the healthcare sector and bio. They are very strong here. They try to turn around. So let's see how they lay out next week, and then we can see from there. Okay, so I think that that's all I have for you today. So beside this stock, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week, and we will analyze them in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. So trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick. So you need to learn how to understand, to read the chart, how to trade. Okay, this is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. All right, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis, and please give me a thumb up, and any comment you can put it down below, and then good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.